How to turn off and disable pick up orders on Google Maps. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is easy. Go to Google Maps. Now as you can see, this is the home page right here. Now all what you have to do is go to the top corner, click on your profile picture. Now click on your profile option and now click on edit profile and click on profile and privacy settings right here, and it will take you to this page. Now go up until you find pick up option, and now right here you can turn it off like this. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.